Hello everyone. This is the 28th video of our YouTube video series, and in this video we will discuss about how company can see our job application that we applied from Freelancer module. Here you can see in my GitHub repository, this is the company module interface, and here you can easily see that latest job application, and here the job application shown here that is sent by the freelancer. Okay, so this kind of things we will fix in this video. Okay, here you can see in our previous video we will discuss about how we can see our job application that we applied on a freelancer module, and that previous video in 26th video we discuss about how we can apply for a project. So if you didn't watch our previous video, I request you please watch this video and then come on this video. So let's start this video. So here you can see I already log into my company account, and if you click on a nav bar, there is a two option. First one is a home and second one is a hire. So this is the hire section we will discuss in our upcoming video, but here now we have to show one more link, that is the candidate application. So for that you have to come to your project, and here you can see you have to open our web INF, and in that web INF there is a folder called as the pages, and here you have to come to the file that is header file.jsp. Open that, and here you can clearly see that there is a two form I put here. That is the first one is the ef.email and second is also ef.email. So in our previous project I showed that particular data with the help of form, but in this video we will discuss about how we can show that data similar like we were discuss about how we can show that data in a freelancer module. So this same way we applied in this video also. Okay, so for showing that particular nav link there, I have to simply remove this for each loop from here. Here you can see this one is a for each loop. I simply remove that for each loop from here, remove, and it's a loading sometime, and here you can see this for each loop is simply removed from here. I just remove this one is from also, and here you can see this one is a form here, and there is a button, but we don't require the form here, so that's why I just remove these two things from here, and similar thing I'm just removing from here also. Now we need here one anchor tag, so I just copy this anchor tag from here, copy and paste. Okay, so I just paste this nav bar here, and similar thing I just posted above of that button. So in that button here you can see there is a two links, that is manage job and project. These things we will discuss in our upcoming video, but today's video we will discuss about candidate application. So I just simply copy this candidate application from here and simply remove this button from here because we don't need that particular button. And now I just provide here name, that is candidate application, and now check it out, our candidate application link is coming here or not. So for that I just refresh my project one more time from here, click on a nav link, and here you can see candidate application is successfully coming here. That here you can see this one hire coming on 2 times. So for that I have to simply fix this thing also. I just remove the this kind of button from here. Before that I just copy this entire thing and paste that things here. Okay, so let's refresh this page again, and here you can see now the section is a candidate application. I just refresh one more time, and now here you can see that manage job and project. This thing we will discuss in our upcoming video, but in this video we will discover candidate application too. These things we have to discuss in this video. Okay, so here whenever I'm just clicking on that kind of button, that is a candidate application, there will be a this kind of interface we have to show, that is latest candidate application as well as the project application we have to show to the company. Okay, so for that which kind of method we use for showing that particular data here. So similar concept we applied in our job. I will apply here that we pass the company name or email here, and by the help of that company name we can easily show that data. Okay, so let's check in our header that data is available or not. So for that here you can see there is a key available here, and that key has all kind of data related our company. So I just simply copy that for each loop from here and come to the above of that li tag, and I just simply close this for each loop after the li tag, and with the help of e now we can easily show that data. So I just copy that e from here, then I just write a slash, then dollar sign, then curly braces, e dot cname or name. Okay, this is the name. In our case, this is the name. Then simply refresh this, and here you can see now we click on navbar, and here you can see whenever I just clicking on a candidate application, here you can see left bottom side view all freelancers slash Wipro technology. That means that our company name is successfully come here. Now with the help of that company name, now we can easily show that particular data. Okay, so I just need one more time come to this kind of project, and I just changing the mapping here, that is the view all freelancers. So I'm just writing here view candidates application. So this is the mapping for this particular anchor tag. I just copy this mapping from here and come to my company controller. Okay, so I just opening my company controller. After so many days of gaps, now we are working finally in our company controller. So I'm just writing a method for showing that particular page. So public string, similar kind of things I just put here, then brackets, then curly braces. Above of that I'm just writing here request mapping. In that request mapping I'm just writing here slash our anchor type mapping and return on similar kind of page. Okay, so I'm just writing here return this kind of page. So whenever someone call the view candidate application, it will redirect on this kind of page. Okay, so for showing that page, we have to create that page in our pages folder. So click on that, then new, then other, then JSP, click on that, page store mapping, click on a finish. Okay, here you can see our page is successfully loaded here. So for show that particular page on there, we have to load that particular interface here. Okay, so for that we have to come to our drive. Here you can see then pages, and here you can see there is a one JSP page, that is application.jsp. You have to simply download this file from here. I already have that file, so I just come by folder here, copy, and I just simply paste this all things on this page. Okay, so view candidate application, I just simply paste this entire thing on here, and here we have to do some changes so we can see that easily. Okay, so I just simply remove this for each loop from here that has applied here. Okay, I just simply remove that. Also I just remove this for each loop from here so we can see that space interface there. Okay, here you can see this is the closing, and we have to simply remove these for each loop also. In that page there is total 3 for each loop we applied in my previous project. So I just simply remove that, and let's check it out now our page is coming here or not. So for that we have to come to our project, refresh that, click on a candidate application, and here you can see it will throw the error, that is that this original server did not find the correct location. So for that I have to come to my controller. Here you can see, and we pass the email with, or we pass the company name with this URL, so that's why it is not loading here. So I have to mention that name here also. So I'm just writing a slash name. Okay, so let's check it out now it is coming or not. So I just simply again come to my application interface, and now click on a candidate application. So I'm just clicking on that candidate application, and here you can see this interface is now successfully open here, that is the latest job application projects. Okay, so this is the things on this interface we have to show this all kind of things. Here you can see in the GitHub repository that kind of things we have to show here, that is the those candidates apply for that particular job that posted by a company, those candidates that apply for that particular projects, that application we have to show here. Okay, so for that we have to again come to our controller, and here we have to mention here path variable annotation, path variable string name, because we are getting the name as a parameter, and now we have to write here a method that is pd, which is project DAO. Okay, pd dot get application data. In that we have to pass our name parameter. Okay, so I'm just writing here name, and we have to simply hover on that method and create method in a project DAO. Okay, so create method in project DAO. Here you can see the method is successfully created here. Now we have to change the return type, that is a list, and in that list we have to pass our class name, that is the apply job, and we have to simply write here the SQL query. Okay, so we have to return that query from here. So return t1 dot query, and here we have to write the query. By the help of that query we can fetch that data easily. So here you can see in our previous video we get that job data by the help of this kind of query. So I just simply copy this query from here. I just need to change one thing is there, that is the we are getting the data by the help of the company name. So we have to change that thing only here, that is in that case select star from apply job, where f name f email is f email like this kind of thing. So in our case we have to check what is the company name variables name. Okay, so test.beans apply job.java. Here you can see there is a c name. Okay, so we have to write here as a c name. Okay, so c name like, and we have to write here as a name. Okay, not a email. So I just remove this slash from here, and with the help of name we can now easily get the data. So I'm just replace the email with the name. Okay, now we have to write similar thing here, that is a new. I have to remove the slash from here also. Okay, so new row mapper. I have to also remove this double colon from here. Okay, so I'm just writing here new row mapper. Then in that row mapper I have to pass my class name, that is the apply job, then brackets, then curly braces, then at the end we have to put semicolon, and in between that curly braces we have to click on enter. Here you can see now we have to implement the unimplemented method, add unimplemented method, and now we have to simply set and get value. So here you can see in our apply job we already set and get that particular value. So we don't have to write this code again and again, we simply copy this code from here. Okay, here you can see, and just simply paste this code from here, and we have to only do one thing is that we have to return this a1 from here, because a1 is our class object. Okay, so simple is that all things related our project is now finished. We have to return to our company controller, then we have to get this entire thing into one list. Okay, so I'm just writing a list apply job candidates all data is equal to this kind of things. Okay, so is equal to these things, and we already know that with the help of model map we can now easily get that data and we can show that data on that particular web page. Okay, so I'm just writing here comma model map and model map class has one method, that is add attribute dot add attribute. Here you can see there is two things we have to pass here. First one is a key, second one is a value. So key is automatically coming here. I have to simply write here the value is automatically coming here. We have to write here as a key. So I'm just writing here application data is equal to this key. Simply we have to copy this key from here, and now with the help of this key we can easily show that data on our that particular page. Okay, so for that we have to come to review candidate application.jsp page. Here you can see this kind of page, and here now we can easily show that particular data. Okay, here you can see now we can show that particular data. So first thing, here you can see there is a table, that is the th, and this is the table data. Okay, so here you can see the application name, email, job profile, resume, company name, and company email. Okay, so I'm just writing about the tr. We have just simply applied the for each loop. By the help of for each loop we can easily show that value. So c colon for each items, then double colon, then dollar sign, we have to pass our key name. Okay, then where is equal to double colon e, then close this and close this entire thing at the bottom of our tr. So I'm just writing here greater than 18, then slash Okay, here you can see I just applied the for each loop, and the similar column name or similar variable name we get into apply job, this kind of name we have to show on our view and apply candidate application.jsp. Okay, so I'm just writing here f name, which is freelancer name, then f email, then position is as it is, then we have to show our freelancer resume. So I'm just writing here f resume, then we have to download that particular resume, so we have to pass this similar kind of things on our anchor type also. So I'm just replace these things from here, f resume. Okay, then here you can see there is a company name, so in our case that is C name, so I'm just writing as C name. And I think we don't take as a C email. Here you can see we don't taken here as a C email, so for that we have to simply remove this td from here, so we don't have to need to show that particular thing here. So from th I'm just also remove that company email. Okay, now here you can see e.status is as it is and update status is as it is. Now see our data is coming here or not, so for that we have to come to our page and refresh this page from here. Okay, and now here you can see our data is successfully coming here. That is the applicant name, that is Gaurav Patil, email gauravpatil@youtube@gmail.com, job profile network administrator, resume is not coming here, we will find the solution for that, company name Wipro Technology, and update status is equal to current status is the send. Okay, so we can now update status from here. Okay, so here you can see all things is now coming here, the one thing is not coming here, that is the resume. Okay, we have to fix that things from here. So here you can see where is the resume, here you can see this one is our resume. So sometime our project not get that particular path, and it is not getting that particular part, that's why it is not showing that resume here. So for that we have to pass our project name here. Okay, so I just simply click on that properties, and we have to copy our project name from here, that is project Spring MVC Java. Copy that, and we have to write that project name before our slash file. Okay, so I'm just writing here my project name, and we have to also apply here the slash of before of our project name. And let's see now it is coming or not, or we will get some kind of error. So I just refresh this page from here. Okay, and here you can see now our resume is just successfully coming here. In my case this is my COVID vaccination certificate. Okay,
Go Corona, go Corona, go Corona, go Corona, go Corona.
so here you can see now the resume is coming here, and now if I click on a download, I have to simply pass this similar thing in my downloads also. So I just copy these things from here, and here you can see this is the download path for that file. So I just remove this dot from here and simply again refresh this page from here and click on a download resume, and here you can see project resume downloaded successfully. Okay, so this thing is now perfectly working, that how we can see job applications. For your information, here you can see I'm just again apply that one more job and see this is information is showing here or not. Okay, so let's see it is working or not. So I just again log into my account from here. Okay, login as a freelancer, I just log in my account. Here you can see I log into my account, explore jobs, and here you can see I just log into my Wipro Technology account. So I just again apply for this particular job from here. Okay, apply now, choose the resume from here. I just choose any kind of resume, open, submit. Here you can see application submitted successfully. Click on a refresh, and here you can see now my data is successfully coming here. Okay, why this resume is not coming? Because we have to refresh this kind of project from here. Okay, double click on that and refresh. Let's see it is coming or not. Refresh this page, and here you can see now my resume is also coming here. Now the similar thing we have to apply in our view latest project application. Similar kind of things we have to apply, just only one thing is changed here, that is our table name. On everything is similar, that is we applied on a latest job application. So I pause this video, I perform that kind of action, and I will explain you how I done this process. Okay, so I just pause this video.
5 hours later.
So right now I just done all process required for showing the project application that's sent by candidate also. So let's check it out. Candidate application. Here you can see there is a 2 job application showing here, but the project application is not showing here there. But if you check my freelancer model, here you can see my application. Let's check it out. Which kind of company I sent in my project application, that is Amdocs and Tata Consultancy Services. We didn't send our job application to Wipro Technology, so that's why it is not showing there. Okay, so if I apply for any kind of project that posted by the Wipro Technology, click on explore freelancing project, and this kind of project that is posted by Wipro Technology. Here you can see automated inventory management system. So view and apply. Here you can see this is the information. Click on apply, choose resume from here, and I just choose this kind of resume from here. Click on a submit. Here you can see now I successfully submitted my application to that particular company. Here you can see also in my application, here you can see there is the Amdocs Wipro Technology Automated Inventory Service, Gaurav Patil. This is my email address, this is my resume, and application status is currently sent. Let's check it out. Now it is coming here or not. I just refresh this page from here, and here you can see in our project that is the now our application successfully coming here. That is applicant name, email, project name, automated inventory management system. This is my resume, which is originally a COVID vaccine certificate, and company email, that is company name, that is Wipro Technology, and update status is currently sent. Okay, so all things related, our today's video is now completed. In this video we will discuss about how we can show job application, project application that is sent by the candidate. Here you can see this kind of things we fix in this video. So in our upcoming video we will discuss about how we can update this job status from here. If the company like this kind of application, if company interested on that particular freelancer, company can change this kind of job status from here, that is accepted and rejected. If the job application is accepted, here you can see in our freelancer section this will be a update, and freelancer get the information that company interested on that particular freelancer. And if the status is rejected, freelancer no, that is this company is not interested in my application. So this kind of things we will discuss in our upcoming video. Okay, so this is all about today's video. In this video we will discuss this all kind of things. So thank you so much for watching this video. In next video we will fix that things how we can update our job status. If you didn't watch our previous video, I request you please watch this video and then come on this video. And if you didn't subscribe my channel till now, I request you please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It motivates me lots. And thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you in next video. Thank you so much.